We're gonna do more prepping right now for the RX7. I pretty much want this to be just ready for us to take the engine out and start building. It might be 18. I'm not gonna try 17. I'm confused then, cause like, oh wait. Oh, I'm just dumb. Wow, I'm fucking dumb. I did not even have to do that shit. You gotta be fucking kidding me. You really gotta be fucking with me right now. Let's stay like that for now. Honestly, I'm not too worried about taking off the wing and the seat. Like, this is like basic shit. The shit that's stressing me out is taking the engine out. And it's not even gonna be hard. It's the fact that like the car is not gonna be running. Like it's really like everything's coming together. Like it's becoming more reality that, oh shit, like I'm building this. Like this is gonna get built. Got it. I use my little breaker bar. I mean, not little, not small. It's an average size breaker bar to get the job done. That's fucking worse. There's another one down here. There's two things that scare me when it comes to building this car. One, actually assembling everything together. Oh wait, no, I lied. Three things. Assembling everything together. Like assembling the engine together. So like all the seals, corner seals, apex seals, side seals, all that shit. That shit kind of scares me. Second thing is that I'm doing like some like for example, I'm doing a modification I'm doing a solid dowel pin modification. The dowel pins that come stock, I'm pretty sure are drilled, so they have a hole, so oil can pass through them. But I'm doing a solid one because they're known to like break or some shit. But you're supposed to do an oil mod, because normally the oil passes through the drilled dowel pins, but since I got a solid one, no oil is gonna go through. So what I'm trying to do is figure out how the fuck can I get oil through there if I'm doing that modification? I'm trying to find information online, but I can't. So shit like that is like, bro, I don't have any info on that. How am I gonna do that? But yeah, that shit. Alright, we're good there. What was the third thing? Oh, third thing is the wiring harness. Because I'm gonna redo the wiring harness for this car, and that shit low-key kind of scares me. Because one, it's electrical. That shit's really time consuming. You have to be pre-planning your next steps. And if you don't, you can fuck up the entire wiring harness, which is what I don't want to do. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to do a basic one to make sure that I'm doing it correctly. I'll connect it all together, make sure it powers, it turns on. Every single thing turns on. And then I'm going to do like a more complicated, like professional one. So I'm going to do two wiring harnesses. Bro, there's no... Okay, I was about to say, there's another one. What is holding me back now? Bro, bullshit, there's another one. Okay, there's not. Oh yeah, this shit, the fucking clip. Shit, alright. Come on, please, come off clean. You'll be alright. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's like a washer in there. I don't know if you can see it. It should come off. Damn. Holy shit. That actually is really good without a wing. But I'm getting a type, what is it, type 99 spec wing? Yeah. I'm just gonna put it right here for now. Wow. Wingless RX7. Oh my god, I got it. Shit. Alright, wing taken off. Both seats taken off. Damn, this car looks good without a wing still, but I need a wing. I like it. Like, it's not bad. I'd drive it around like that for a little bit. But I need a wing, man. I need a wing. Oh, let me take this off. Alright, I'm gonna focus right now on taking the wheels off and taking the front bumper. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out that wheel, this wheel, and then that wheel. And then I'm gonna take off the front bumper. And then we should be ready to start prepping to take out the engine. Okay, let's do it. These wheels are fucking light. What the fuck? What's up, bro? Oh, shit. Got the whole setup, bro. Yep. Yep. Yeah, took all the wheels off. I'm gonna take the front bumper off now. All that shit. Here we go again. Why does she have two off? I think these need more. What size is it? 14, right? So just take them off and put them back on. Can you reverse? Can you just lift the battery out? I'm gonna hold the shit up. Thanks. Shit, this is not shit in it. I got it. Yeah, let's grab those two shits. Those are coming out.
That's gonna be a bitch to get out.
Then we're gonna have to do.
Oh fuck.
Bro, they literally tighten the fuck out of these. This is morphed. Cool. Oh, you can't get to that one. Perfect.
No, that shit. Whether you want it looks like clean ass oil, but that's like dumb clean oil.
It doesn't even smell like oil, bro.
What the fuck is that then?
It's like water. It's either water or coolant.
Yeah. Get out, get out, get out.
Still
But it gets caught sometimes. That shit's gonna spill coolant everywhere.
Yeah.
Literally fucking everywhere.
This shit's gonna spill coolant everywhere. Hold on.
Yeah, bro.
I'm trying to sit.
I know we could disconnect this one probably, cause that goes to this.
Overflow.
Yeah. It's not moving. Oh, the clamp worked. Crazy. Okay.
Oh shit.
Alright.
Oh shit.
Oh fuck. Ah. You love to see it. You love to fucking see it. This shit on there. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god, bro. It's just getting all over my hand.
It'd be like that.
Oh wow. And oh
Yep.
okay. God.
You know what's going crazy?
Holy shit. Well,